So today we're going to be practicing our handwriting. Before we do that, I'm going to have us review our strokes because I feel like it's been a little bit of time since we kind of talked about it. So up and down or dots is called a ding. Across the dotted line, just a straight line across, is called a zip, like a skateboard. Diagonal lines, they can either be tall or short. Those are called clack. Hops that look like a bunny hop are called boing. They can go upside down, sideways, like a U. They can be long and with a little curve. Boing. What else? Oh, circles, which are swoosh, like a Ferris wheel. And then like a C is called a splash, or like part of an S is a splash. So today we're going to be practicing capital G. I'm sorry, that's the wrong page. Capital G, which is going to be a splash and a zip. So watch me do it right here. We've got a splash, and then we go in a little bit, a straight line, like a zip. So the first thing we're gonna do, now you're gonna do your pencil, I'm gonna do marker, right? The first thing I do is always the same. I pick up my pencil and I write my name. So you can write your name first. And then we're just gonna start, excuse me, I'm gonna take a sip of water. We're gonna start out first, just practicing a splash. Sorry about that. So look, I'm going to start kind of right here, and my splash is going to be touching the top line and the bottom line, just like we're practicing C's, which is a splash. Okay? Then I'm going to use a different color, but you're using your pencil just so you can see the difference. Then we're going to do zips, but we're going to go from the right to the left, from the right to the left, from the right to the left, the right to the left, the right to the left, and then you have a full G here to draw. Okay, practice some splashes again. Splash, 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 and then some zips. Zip, 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 zip. Make a G by yourself. And then you're tracing your G's at the bottom. You have 2 rows of G's. So to make a G, we do a splash and a zip. A splash and a zip. A splash and a zip. It's kind of hard to see these today. Sorry about that. Sometimes the copy machine doesn't. All right, looks good. And then when you're ready, so press pause if you need to finish, because then when you're done, we're gonna move on to our ABC book for G. We're gonna do our tracing and our writing today. So, first things first, I'm gonna color my G's at the top. Looks like they have crowns on today, doesn't it? All right, and then we have our words. So G makes the sound g, g. So we've got g, g, globe, g, g, glove, g, g, grapes. First I'm gonna do my writing, then I'm gonna do my coloring. So for globe, make sure you trace it, and then you're gonna copy it by yourself underneath, right? globe, glove, and grapes. All right. You can finish up. Color your pictures when you're ready. Globes are models of the earth. They show land and water. And they are round because the earth is round. A long, long time ago, people used to think the earth was flat. And if you sailed too far, you would fall off. But that's not true. What colored glove do I want today? Maybe a red glove. I hope everybody's coloring is getting better, nicer, and you're using lots of colors, and you're really trying to stay in the lines. Because when it's time to come to school, I want you to have really nice coloring. And you can decide if you want to have purple grapes today or green grapes today. I'm going to make purple grapes, or there's even red grapes. I like the red grapes the best, I feel like. All right, press pause if you need to finish.